Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to raise hands on Zoom. To raise your hand in a Zoom meeting, first of all, go ahead and open up your Zoom Workplace application on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a meeting or join into a meeting. And once you're inside the meeting, go ahead and click on the React button. There you will be able to see the raise hand option. Click on it and then you will then be able to raise hand on Zoom Workplace meeting. This function will help you get the host or speaker's attention without interrupting while in a meeting. This is commonly used while asking a question, requesting to speak in a group meeting or discussion, indicate agreement or support, and so on. To lower your hand after you are done, simply click the lower hand button which is appearing at the top of the React button over here at the bottom, and that's it. That way you can easily raise your hand in Zoom in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Zoom tutorial. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.